Okay, this is Overseas Highway US 1. This is Don Cowboy Biker Adventures. I'm in Long Key. I wanted to try to do a 360 video of the water and the bridge. So let's see how this goes. The water is just gorgeous. I just love it. You're starting to see some right there to the right. Remember, this 360, so you can look around and to the left. But these trees are messing them up right now, but it's fixing to get better. Look at that, will you? Don't you just love that color? I was going to do a video going across this bridge. And I was going to turn around and do it from the other direction, but look at the traffic backed up. Maybe it'll be cleared by the time I get there. Look at this. This is Long Key. I started at Fiesta Key RV Resort and Marina. It is 1,000 Trails, or Encore Park, I should say, and RPI Park. But look at this. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Can't say enough, just enjoy the color. Wow, this is a long line of traffic, isn't it? Does not take away from the beauty, though. I'm just going to keep going because I think there's another open stretch up here. Trying to get this traffic out of here. Remember, on the right side is the Atlantic. On the left side is the bay, which is what the locals call it. To me, it's the Gulf of Mexico. And I'm hoping that it cleared. There was an opening up here. If not, I'll turn around. Traffic hopefully will be gone. I'll get my video in. Beautiful. God has some beautiful creations. And I've been traveling the whole country trying to find them all. I've done all 48 states. When I get down to Key West, I will be to the four corners of the country. I've also done all the way down Baja to Cabo San Lucas. And next year I'm doing Alaska, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of my adventures. I have over 750 videos already. So if you want to see the country, subscribe to my channel. All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think I see a place to turn around, and I am going to do that. Matter of fact, if I hurry, I can make it in front of those cars. Just don't want to slow it down and make the video longer than it needs to be. But here we go. We get to see it again. That's the bridge we're going to cross. Over here on the right, that is, again, on the right is the Gulf of Mexico, or the Bayside. On the left is the Atlantic Ocean. And out there is a 350-mile-long coral reef, the third largest in the world. Starts south of Miami, just south of Miami, a few miles, and goes 70 miles west of Key West. I understand, according to my neighbor that was raised in Key West, that her ancestors or relatives used to come over and pillage the shipwrecks and get all the stuff off of them. And I think from Jamaica, and then the U.S. kind of cracked down on it, said you got to pay taxes on that, so they all moved to Key West. And I don't know what kind of time frame that is. But see, here's the slow traffic. I was sure hoping it'd be clear by now, but it's not. But that's okay. When we get to the bridge, it'll give more time to see this beautiful scenery. But I thought that was interesting that she told me that story. I don't have more details than that. I don't have years or anything. Okay. Well, I'm not sure what's going on. I can't see past that van up there. Looked like no one was in front of the van. I'm sure there are, though. All right, now we're finally moving. Looks like we've got a garbage truck up there. No fishing from bridge. I wanted to fly a drone over and under this bridge. I may still do that. Well, you're getting a good look at it. We're basically heading west here. We're reaching the apex of the bridge. And you see the power lines taking the power further down the keys. That is my RV park up there in the distance on the right. And I would say that I am 70 miles from the most southern point in the USA, in Key West. So again, I just love the water. You gotta love the water. It's just fantastic. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.